There are two types of people in this world: those who are inspired and those who inspire, those who constantly long for and those who acquire. Because there are those who have dreams and chase them, but those who sleep waiting to be awakened. No matter how long it takes, a man can move mountains. And most of you will think this is just a saying, and the majority won't believe me. But when you get a couple minutes on your PC, Google Dasharaf Manjihi, because a man can move mountains. Success is a ladder, and only few of us will find it. Even less of us will have the strength to climb it. Don't let your success define you, let your success be defining. Have you seen that picture on Facebook of the guy that's smiling? Why give up when you're this close to the diamond? Because there are two types of people in this world: those who are amazed and those who are amazing. So which one are you?